If you don't follow these exact strategies that I'm about to discuss in this video, when you actually start dropshipping, you probably won't become successful. Highly unlikely. So let's get into it right now. What is going on, guys? Internet kid Sebastian here, back at it with another video. Basically what we're going to discuss right now is things I see, or one thing that I see most beginning dropshippers doing that's completely wrong. Like, you should never do this, but they're all doing it, and that's how you're not, that's like why a lot of people aren't actually making sales. Very simple to fix. It's gonna probably take a few minutes for me to explain it, but just, yeah, you guys will get the whole gist of it in a second. So let's just think of it this way, guys. If you had a product in mind that you potentially wanted to buy, let's just say you were going to buy a new phone case, okay? So you get marketed on Facebook to go buy a new phone case, whatever, we're having a 50% off sale, and you go to their website. What if you could tell that their product, they didn't even own it, like they were just kind of promoting it and they didn't actually even house the product or anything like that? Would you buy it from them, or would you move on to a branded website that you know makes good quality cases? For me, one that comes to mind, OtterBox, Spec, all those cases are actually branded and stuff like that. So they're long-term brands, but they more so have that brand credibility because they're an actual brand and it's a legit product rather than just something generic. So for me, right, if I was to go buy a case, I would probably want to buy a brand name one just because I knew, or I would know its credibility and stuff. I would know it was credible. I wouldn't think about, oh, is the quality good or something like that. Even if there was an OtterBox-like case that I didn't even know, like it was the same exact material, it just wasn't branded, I would still be like, oh, this is like crappy quality or whatever. Plus OtterBox actually does like, oh, lifetime warranty. If your case breaks, we'll get you a new one, you know, stuff like that. So you see, the problem is with all of you people who are starting dropshipping, and don't worry, I was with you guys, like I did the same exact stuff, is you guys are making it look like you're dropshipping. You guys are leaving the Powered by Shopify thing on your guys' website on the bottom. You guys are having like Chinese writing on the pictures in the photos for your products, and just tons of stuff like that. You're creating generic descriptions that are just pulled directly from AliExpress. You're just kind of showing all the red flags that people don't want to see when they're buying products. And on top of that, people's Instagram and Facebook pages are filled with just products with white backgrounds. It's like, do you see any, I can literally pull up any brand and show you guys, like that's an actual sustainable long-term brand. They are not posting generic white photos. This is a great example. If you guys know the company D brand, they sell iPhone skins. Look at their feed. It all flows and everything, but these pictures are not generic. So if you guys are wanting to actually start making money with this business model, you guys can't just have it look super generic. Like, you guys have to make sure even if you are selling generic products that you're dropshipping, make your Instagram page look like you're not. Maybe order some products in, take pictures of it, do stuff like that. I think that's a lot of things, like that's something that's very simple to do. It probably will require a little more money, but this will help you guys out in the long term. Just trust me on this. Again, it's not anything too complicated. It's just a matter of like becoming aware of what people are doing and kind of like not doing what everyone else is doing. So with dropshipping, everyone right now is kind of focused on just creating the website, adding the products very quickly, adding descriptions very quickly, not putting in time to create actual descriptions and stuff, and I think that's where a lot of people fail. But this is just a short video. I just wanted to get this out there, let you guys think about this and stuff like that. This is what I'm doing right now, as well as any business model. You just have to create a brand because people buy based on brand and based on emotion, rather than just like, oh, that product's cool, I'll buy it. Like, they buy based on emotion 90% of the time. Sometimes it's just convenience. So yeah, that's kind of about it for this video. If you did enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are new, join the family. I'm almost at 8,000 subscribers, I believe, so that's freaking sweet. I remember when I was getting excited over like my first 10 subscribers and my first 100, then oh my god, at 1,000 I was speechless, and now we're at almost 8, so that's pretty sweet. I hope you guys all enjoyed again though, and I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow.